Hello, guys. Welcome to this training session. This is week one, video two, for you to learn great stuff. So today, I'll be talking to you about how to use Canva to create awesome designs for your graphics on social media platforms. Or for your ads. So, like I said before, branding is very, very important, and you need to take that to the core. And because we are digital marketers, we are not graphic designers, but we need to still be able to do stuff for ourselves. And that's why technology has been able to give us something that that we would use to actually create things on our own. And like I showed you before, using Tailor Brands, you can create your logo for yourself, and you can go as far as creating awesome graphics for your social media platform. And that's what I'm going to walk you through right now. So let's go to Canva. So I'm going to go to canva.com to actually start creating lovely designs. So I would need you to understand that you need to create an account. It's a free account. Canva is very free. Tailor Brands is also free, and although Tailor Brands is free for a while, not free, but it's free for a while, and then they charge you later on. But Canva is very, very free, but there is always also the paid version. So you need to sign up for an account. You can use your Gmail, you can use your Yahoo, you can use your email address to just get an account. But because I already have an account, I'll just dive deep quickly on how to navigate all the platform. So basically, if you look at your right hand side, this is where all your designs are, and this is where you can find photos, brand kits. These are basically what you can use for yourself later on. And this is something for a team. I have a team that I use this with, but I'm not going to really bore you with that. It's a lot of process, but let's dive deep into actually wanting to create a design. So let's see. I'm trying to see how I can get more designs for myself. So you can see a lot of designs, but I want to bring all the designs out so that you can see. So these are all the designs that you can get. So like I said, this is social media designs. This is going to give you the dimension itself. So if you can see, this is Instagram. It is 180 by 180, 1080 by 1080 pixel. This is story, and this is Facebook post. So it gives you different dimensions that you can play with. So let's say that we are trying to run an ad on Facebook. Let's try to run an ad on Facebook and just create let's create a what's it called? Let's create a graphics for our coffee. So I'm going to use this. So once you click on that, it brings you to the platform where you can actually go ahead and just edit. Like I said, these things are very, very easy. You don't really have to do a lot of work before you actually get your designs out. So let's say that I want to do something around coffee for my blog. So let's see if I'm going to get a template. So you can find your templates here. This is where you find different photos. You want to use photos of it. Let me see if I can get something around coffee. So let's say I want to use photos. Good. Okay, so I have this. This is pro. You can see I'll have to pay for that. Is that pro? Okay, this is not pro. This is a free version, so I have to pay for this. So let's say just going to do something very simple. add your logo somewhere here, where whatever you need to do, you can upload an image, and let's say this is my logo, for example. I can add my logo here, and let me show you how to do that. Make it very small. Drag. So you see, it's basically drag and drop stuff. So you see, I've created a fantastic looking picture that I can use to easily run my ads at a click of a button. So all I have to do is to just download it, PNG, and voila, I have my designs that I can use for my online ad on Facebook. So let me see if I can get it out. Okay, let me show you the design. So I can download the design. Okay, just add to my desktop. That's perfect. So that way I can use that to run my ad. So let's see if I can see that. You should be able to see it. Okay, so because it's PNG, it's taking a while to post the quality version, but I just want you to see how good the picture is looking. So it's that easy. You don't really